You'll notice I use the Quick Access Toolbar in AutoCAD Electrical a lot while we're going through this course. The Quick Access Toolbar is up here at the top of the screen. So you'll see there we've got New. That's very self-explanatory. If I click on New, it takes me to the startup dialog that we set up previously, and it allows me to set up new drawings, blank drawings, drawings from templates, and so on. So I'll just cancel that. We don't need to set up a new drawing right now. Open, well, one would hope that we all understand what Open does. As you can see, goes to the Open, goes to the folder that I used last in AutoCAD, which is the folder that we're in at the moment with the drawings we're using right now. Again, I'm going to click on Cancel because I've already got a drawing open that I'm going to be using. Now, the next one is one that you may not be familiar with, Open from the Vault. Autodesk Vault is an engineering document management system. So if I click on that, it'll ask me to log in to that document management system and go to the server and so on. Great for server client-based projects where you've got information stored on the server that you're bringing into the client computer to use on a particular project. So that's your Autodesk Vault. So I'm just going to cancel that now. The next one along, Save. Very, very simple. If you just click on Save, it saves the drawing. And you'll notice down on the command line there, QSave stands for Quick Save. That's what that icon does. It's a quick save. The next two along are Undo and Redo. The same in most computer programs. So if I click on the little down arrow there, I can undo back to a certain command, and that's the same for Redo also. So there's Redo right there. Obviously that's grayed out right now because I've just done a save, so I can't redo anything because I haven't done anything since the save. Here, moving along, we've got Plot, which prints to a drawing, Plotter, Printer, File, PDF, DWF file. Again, we'll look at printing and plotting projects later on, so don't worry too much about that. Next one along is Project Manager. Now, we've got Project Manager here on the left. If I close it, though, it looks just like AutoCAD now, regular AutoCAD. But if I go back up here and click on Project Manager, that opens it up again for me. It shows me what project I'm in, what drawing I'm using, and so on and so forth. You can also do that on the Project tab on the ribbon. So if I close down the Project Manager and go to the Project tab, there's Manager there, brings it back again. So there's two ways of switching the Project Manager off and on. When I'm working in a project, for example, the File Names project that we looked at earlier, if I double click on a drawing, let's go for the ribbon interface drawing, that will open up that drawing. Now the nice thing is, because I'm on the Project tab on the ribbon now, Previous Drawing and Next Drawing are there. So if I go to Next Drawing, it opens up the next drawing in the project. Now be aware that this could take a few moments to do. The reason being is that obviously these drawings can be complex and take a few moments to load. So be patient when you're using Previous Drawing and Next Drawing. Again, up here on the ribbon, we've got Previous Drawing, Next Drawing. So if I go back one, it takes me back to General Ribbon Interface Drawing, as you can see in the Project Manager here on the left. Lots of information there. And it's great because the Project Manager shows you where you are, the Project tab allows you to work with projects, the Quick Access Toolbar that we're talking about also allows you to work with your project. Moving along now to this surfer symbol, what it does is it allows you to surf your electrical project. So if I click on Surfer now and come into the drawing area, the dynamic input prompt is prompting me to select a tag for the surfer to trace, or I can type it and press Enter. I'll zoom in on one of these switches here maybe. There's a conveyor motor switch there. If I click on that now, it shows me the details, the attributes of that block. So what the surfer allows me to do is go and check the settings, the components. The actual settings there are that it's on sheet reference 9 and its location is MCAB5. So what we can do there is we can freshen that because it may have changed. So it's reading the project database file now, and it's looking to see whether that's been updated at all. I can also run things like a catalog check. I can pick a new list maybe. I can zoom in, zoom out, and pan as well on that particular component. So if I hit zoom in, it will actually zoom in to that component. If I close now, you can see, look, it has zoomed in on that component there on that panel. So that surfer's very cool. You can go and interrogate your drawing at any time. Now the next one along is Save As, and I've actually added that to the Quick Access Toolbar. How have I done that? Well, I've clicked on this little flyout menu here, and what I've done is I've ticked Save As, so that Save As, when it's ticked like that, appears on the Quick Access Toolbar. I can add other commands in the list there. I can also go to More Commands. More Commands will actually open up the Customize User Interface dialog box. And as you can see, I can go and pick any command in AutoCAD Electrical and add it to my Quick Access Toolbar. I'm not going to. I'm going to cancel that. I don't need to. But that is how you would do it. Other things you can do on the Quick Access Toolbar, you can show the original AutoCAD menu bar. So if I click there, you'll notice I've now got this menu bar as well. And for those of you that have used older versions of AutoCAD, you've now got the old pull-down menus like you used to have in older versions of AutoCAD. Now, I don't tend to use the menu bar. It's taking up screen space, so I'll go Hide Menu Bar by clicking on the flyout and Hide Menu Bar like so. So that's your Quick Access Toolbar in AutoCAD Electrical. Lots of little icons there that are very useful that you will use regularly on a day-to-day basis.